The Wolf and the Lamb. A wolf spied a lamb who was drinking out of a stream and began to think of excuse to attack it and eat it. You are making my part of the stream dirty, accused the wolf. How can that be? Said the lamb. You are farther upstream than me, and the water flows down, not up. Aren't you the lamb who insulted my father last year? Asked the wolf. I wasn't even born last year, came the reply. Enough of this talk, snarled the wolf. I am not going to miss a chance of eating you just because you are good at excuse.